and different type of triggers for WhatsApp chatbot. So the very first trigger is new message received. So this bot flow will basically get triggered as soon as any incoming message is received on the WhatsApp number. You can have only one bot for a new message received trigger, but you can have multiple bots for the keyword conditions that I'll explain further. So for a new message received or any message received, in this case any incoming message, this bot will get triggered. Now let us understand the other triggers. The second is a message match keyword condition. In this case you can have multiple keywords and multiple bots for the same trigger type, and so you can define if the message contains order or the message contains status. So if the incoming message contains order or status, this particular bot flow will get triggered, and then the user will be basically taken to various steps. Now one very important information, what is the difference, or the third trigger type is hot keyword. What is the difference between these both? So whenever a user is in an existing bot flow, then the message match keyword condition won't jump inside of another bot flow. But if you have set a hot keyword, so if your user is possibly in an existing bot flow and in between they want to ask the status of your order and you have a separate bot flow for it, then if the keyword is set in the case of hot keywords, then this bot or the second bot would basically jump in between the existing bot flow of the user. This is similar to match keyword condition. The only difference is hot keywords would intervene in another bot flow, but match keyword won't intervene in another bot flow. The next two types are inbound webhook trigger. This is to initiate a bot via an external webhook. And the last one is click to WhatsApp ads. So if you're running Facebook ads, you can enter your ad IDs here. It can be multiple as well. So if a user is coming via this particular Facebook ad, your bot would get triggered. So the placement of the triggers is as per priority. This being the highest, it means if you have set a bot flow with new message keyword, new message received, message match as well as hot keyword, for the same help keyword in both the cases, and new message basically would get triggered with any keyword. So what our system would first initiate the hot keyword flow. If this doesn't exist, it would initiate the message match keyword flow. If there is no keyword match, then it would initiate the new message received. So the highest priority goes to the Facebook ad ID. The next priority goes to the inbound webhook trigger. The next is hot keywords, then message match, and then the new message received. Thank you.